Morning guys, it's me, Gordon from GDUBTV. Check the t-shirt out. You can buy these, link in the description. Other merch as well, hoodies and all sorts. But anyway, I thought I'd do a quick little update video just to let you know what's going on kind of in my life and what's happening with the channel. So I'm going to start the timer on my phone. There we go, look, so that's starting and we'll try and do this in under 3 minutes if we can. Is that possible? So try and stay in until the end if you can. If you are a human being and you are alive anywhere in the world, you will be aware of the coronavirus and you will also be aware of the seriousness of it. It's cost people income, jobs, people on furlough, people have got sick, and some people have lost their lives. People that are watching this very well may have lost loved ones, and if that's you, genuinely my heart breaks. It's tragic. It's tragic, tragic, tragic. For the last kind of 8 weeks, whilst in the UK we've been under lockdown from when I record this, I've been sort of very slowly trying to motivate myself in finishing the van off. We've got 3 kids, they've all been at home. My wife works in the school, so she's been at home. There's lots going on. Some of you will be aware I'm also a church leader. I've actually got another YouTube channel that I've just started, which is me talking about my faith in everyday life. And so if that's of any interest, a little link will come up in the corner and you can go and watch that and subscribe to that if you like, but the content is very different to this. I didn't want to kind of confuse this and that, and so I've just started a separate channel for that. I'm now at the point where sort of I've reached some sort of the new normal, like everyone's talking about, and so I'm now starting to churn out a couple of videos. You'd have seen there's been 2 or 3 releases on GDUBTV recently of videos that I recorded just post lockdown when I went on a couple of road trips up north to Captain Seat, to Van Shades, to Harrison Trim Supplies and Northern Rose camper van conversions to kind of really push the van on somewhat. And then coronavirus hit and I've just not got around to editing those videos, and so I've got about 2 or 3 videos left. There's the big reveal of the interior units, which is going to come a little bit later this week after this video. One after that is me going to go and see George at Captain Seats. You've already seen the video with the carpet trimming if you've been following the channel, the T6, but the last video from there is actually getting the full-on interior, amazing leather seats. If you've been watching Dub Ventures at all, you'd have seen a small reveal in there, but I'm going to show them in all their glory. And so if you don't follow Dub Ventures, again, little link in the corner and you can go and watch them and subscribe to those guys. I love those guys. There's a lot of really good channels out there. T-Dubs at the moment, Coombe Valley Campers. Now those guys are well worth checking out as well. And so on Instagram, I've been following lots and lots of different people. T6 Project, again, another great project who's really started to flourish and his editing skills are excellent. So what I'm going to be doing, I've got a lot of jobs that I need to get done on the van, and I'm now getting to the point where I'm able to allocate some time to it. So I'm trying to put a day or 2 aside on the van a week to both edit and to do actual jobs. And so I've got a load of electrical supplies, speakers, and things like that that I need to fit from Simply Split Charge and also from SCR Audio. I've got 4 100-watt solar panels from Lenson Solar, who you might have seen that I did on the T5 project, to put on the roof, and so that's going to happen. And there's a few other jobs as well. I've got some great LED pocket lights to fit. I've got some creative covers coming from the team at Creative Covers. I've got a Ridge Monkey that someone sent me to do a review of, and so there's a lot of videos that are going to start coming. Some will be me just on the camera like this in my office, just talking about the process of doing the van, and we'll try and keep those under 5 minutes, and then others will be a bit more what you're used to with actual hands-on tutorial. This is how I fitted something, product reviews, that sort of stuff. So guys, if that's of any interest, please do keep following along on the channel. If you're new to the channel and you're just seeing this for the first time, then press subscribe, and there's also a little notification bell next to that. Click on that as well, and then you'll get notifications every time I post new videos. Please like this video, guys. It makes a huge difference and puts the content in front of other people. Guys, it's been 4 minutes. I better stop because I promised for 3 and I've already gone over. So love you lots, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.